Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
remote controls.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Get rid of remote clutter with Philips Universal Remotes. These remotes provide complete control over your home theater setup for access to your favorite movies, music, streaming media, and more. First, install the batteries. For setup using direct code entry, find the remote codes for your device in the included manual. Press and hold the Setup button while the red indicator light turns on, and then release. Then press and release the device button on the remote. Beginning with the first code listed, key in the code using the number buttons. Now point the remote at your device and test the buttons on the remote to see if it responds as you would expect. If it does, you are finished. If not, go to the next code and repeat the process until you find the code that works best for your device. Your universal remote is also equipped with primary audio control, which eliminates the need to use a second remote to control volume. To enable the primary audio control, press and hold the Setup button on your remote control until the LED indicator light turns on. Next, release the Setup button. The red light will stay on. Press and release the device button, TV for example, for the device you wish to always control the volume. Next, press and release the mute button, followed by the volume up button. The power button will blink twice and turn off. Now your remote is programmed to control your TV's volume in any device mode. Go to the next code and repeat the process until you find the code that works best for your device. To enable the primary audio control, press and hold the Setup button on your remote control until the LED indicator light turns on. Next, release the Setup button. The red light will stay on. Press and release the device button, TV for example, for the device you wish to always control the volume. Next, press and release the mute button, followed by the volume up button. The power button will blink twice and turn off. Take back control of your entertainment experience with Philips Universal Remotes.
OMAIC Universal Remote Control for all Samsung Smart LED LCD for KHDs. It works out of the box, no setup is required. Insert to AA batteries, not included, to completely replace your original remote control. The buttons are made of silicone. You will feel its soft touch and dust resistance. It supports over 100,000 click approval tests. High quality after sales service. We provide a 60-day warranty and return service. If you have any questions about the order, please feel free to contact us directly, and we will get back to you within 12 hours.
In this video, we'll show you how to use hands-free voice controls with the new Roku Voice Remote Pro. To give a hands-free command, just say, "Hey Roku," followed by a variety of supported commands. It's that easy. Use hands-free commands to turn your TV on and off. "Hey Roku, turn on the TV." Play entertainment. "Hey Roku, play classic rock." And control your streaming. "Hey Roku, pause." You can even find your remote if you lose it. "Hey Roku, where's my remote?" For the best experience, keep the remote within 12 feet of you and talk towards it when giving a command. This way, the remote can hear you over the sound of the TV. All this and more with the new Roku Voice Remote Pro.